I think you are searching about unlocked flip phone, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality, unlocked flip phone? Need free shipping, unlocked flip phone? Looking for unlocked flip phone having excellent battery capacity? Looking for unlocked flip phone having rear camera? If the answer is yes, then let's go and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best unlocked flip phones. Number 1. Motorola V3i unlocked flip phone, and the feature is screen material, TFT. Display size, 2.2 inches. Thickness, normal greater than 10 mm. Rear camera pixel, 1.3 megapixel. Battery capacity, 710 mAh. Let's go for number 2. UNIWA X28 unlocked flip phone, and the feature is screen material, TFT. Feature, memory card slots, Bluetooth, FM radio. Display size, 2.8 inches. Rear camera pixel, less than or equal to 1 megapixel. Battery capacity, 1200 mAh. Let's go for number 3. Samsung C3595 unlocked flip phone, and the feature is screen material, TFT. Display size, 2.2 inches. Thickness, normal greater than 10 mm. Rear camera pixel, 2 megapixel. Battery capacity, 1300 mAh.